What a beautiful late summer day. Well, I don't have enough lacquer thinner to completely strip the finish from the cabinet today, but it's a great time to get started. I'll pick back up on it tomorrow. You can see the existing faux finish for reference. I'll never be able to reproduce it, and then the band selector switch locations. But this gives me some general idea what it looked like before. And you can see this is my update where I'm at using all the product that I have at this point in time. Lots of work around the grill area to still be done. Some of that veneer or substrate's actually chipped there on the back side. So kind of a delicate area that I want to just take some extra precaution there. So you got to get started sometime. That's what I keep telling myself. So my progress today, again with the lacquer thinner that I had on hand. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching my progress thus far. More to come soon.